As an industry leader and global manufacturer of premium surface conditioning solutions, Weiler's wire cup brushes provide consistent performance and durability across a wide variety of demanding metal cleaning applications. All Weiler cup brushes meet EN standards to ensure operational safety. A solid internal brush construction delivers exceptional balance for smooth operation. Hard, heat-treated wire resists fatigue for long brush life, and sharp wire tips ensure the brush is ready to work right out of the box. For the most demanding large surface cleaning applications, trust Weiler's industrial-grade wire cup brushes. Weiler, done fast, done right.